BCTV. BCTV offers you quality services all year, such as live broadcasts, media coverage, advertisement, video and audio sport production, documentary and magazine production, announcement, and training with distinguished staff from Monday to Sunday, 7 days on 7. You will find interesting programs aimed for entertainment, awareness, debate, information, and equally religion. BCTV is the lone channel that supports small and medium-sized businesses and encourages young artists and many more. BCTV, the arena of excellence, is available on several cable distributors such as Vino, Qatar, Master, the Vino Decoder Channel 122, and equally on.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome. I know so many of you out there will be surprised and you're asking the question, so what exactly is happening over the channels of Business and Career Television? Well, you shouldn't find yourself wondering or pondering or going back to your drawing boards to get yourselves edified and clarified. This is the time for us, ladies and gentlemen, to talk about young persons. It is a special edition, and before I go further, you can call me Sandra Bongyu, and for co-presentation today, I am with my Mr. Right, if I should say so, Landry Njokwet. Good afternoon, Landry.
Bon après-midi, Sandra Bongyu. Bon après-midi à tous les téléspectateurs qui nous regardent. Cet après-midi, j'avais envie de dire ce matin, mais parce qu'on est habitué quand même à être là le matin. Mais ça, c'est tout autre chose, puisqu'on parle de jeunesse, comme vous l'avez si bien énuméré, quand on sait que la jeunesse, autant pour moi, c'est le fer et l'ance de la nation, et on se sait habituellement, voilà, du volet de l'évangile, gospel, sure. Et lorsque c'est associé au gospel, ça donne encore quelque chose de magnifique, quelque chose de spécial. Alors on va parler justement d'un événement majeur qui a déjà pris son envol dans la ville de Bafoussam, dans une congrégation, voilà, chrétienne de la place. Et il faut dire que c'est un camp de jeunes.
Yes, it is a youth camp. Trust me when I say young persons are super dynamic. They are energetic, and today they are here in the studio. And when we talk about young persons, we are categorically talking about young persons who find themselves thirsting and hunger. They are so hungry for God. And that is why with us in the studio today, ladies and gentlemen, we have young persons who go under the banner of the Christ man. We are going to give them the opportunity to say so much about themselves. We know young persons are energetic, Landry.
Effectivement, non, j'ai envie de dire tout simplement que quand on parle de jeunesse, on doit avoir la vivacité là. C'est vrai qu'on va dire que la jeunesse c'est des 0 à 77 ans, mais ceux qui sont à côté de nous ici, je pense pas qu'il y a la trentaine déjà. Bon, ça traduit à suffisance qu'il faut avoir la vivacité, il faut avoir justement du punch, du tonus. Mais je pense que trop parler c'est maladie.
We should hand them the floor. There are so many. We have a full house. And at this point in time, we need to get to know whom we are talking about, or whom we've been talking about for the past 5 minutes. So I'm going to let the technician do his job and do what he knows how to do best. Let's have these young persons make us feel their presence. The floor is over to you, Ola.
Kingdom youth.
We belong to Jesus.
Kingdom youth.
We take charge and take over.
Kingdom youth.
Action!
My campaign.
Making God visible.
My campaign.
Making God visible.
Wow.
Bon, okay. Oh my God.
Wow. C'est cool, hein?
The energy is 100% felt. I felt like, yes, I am part of this youth association. And trust me, ladies and gentlemen, it's just the beginning. To those of you joining us, we are on a special edition, I should say, a special program for these young persons. We cannot let them pass by without us having a moment to exchange, of course, Landry.
Effectivement, ça va être un moment d'échange.
Yes,
donc, ici, là, on ne monopolise pas la parole.
Ça se
Autant pour moi, alors j'ai envie de demander, on se sent bien au studio de BCTV, ça va? Ça va? Tout le monde, ça va?
Oui, ça va.
Ça va très bien. Est-ce qu'on peut encore applaudir pour moi alors? Bon, Sandra, on va débuter justement.
Yes, Landry, this time around, this is the second edition, or this is the second year that they are putting this together. They are coming together as young persons to make Christ visible, as they did make mention. And the theme of this year is the spirit of revival. I'm going to turn over to, I don't know whom, but whosoever gets to pick the floor.
Seulement, ils vont prendre, hein? Il y a beaucoup de leaders parmi eux.
Tell us about this youth camp. Whosoever gets to pick the floor. It's open. Okay, Michael, tell us about this youth camp.
Dame, hein? Demoiselle, dame qui va parler.
N'importe qui.
N'importe qui.
Yes, Michael, please.
Bonsoir tout le monde, bonsoir à vous sur le plateau.
Thank you.
Nous sommes contents d'être ici avec vous en cette soirée. Bon, le camp des jeunes d'aujourd'hui est intitulé The Spirit of Revival. The Spirit of Revival. You know, we are the young generation and the young ministers of Cameroon. And our mission here is not just to like go after fashions, go after the things of the world, but we want to make God visible. And for us to make God visible, we need the spirit of revival. What is the spirit of revival? That's the question that we are trying to answer during this youth camp. Okay. Yes, our main focus is on the spirit of revival. What is revival and how we can bring revival to Cameroon? Because the revival cannot come in a nation. It cannot come through the old men, like our fathers in their late 40s, in their early 30s. That means it will pass through the youths, us in our young 20s. So that is why during this youth camp we are focused more on the spirit of revival.
Okay, the spirit of revival. I'm having a feeling of us changing the perspective of the society. Young persons who are so consumed by the world, their spirits need to be revived. Am I getting close to what this is talking about?
Yes, you are going close to, like yesterday we made mention of something like when you are thirsty and you drink water, what happens?
At least you get your thirst gets quenched. Yes, you revived. Yes.
Maybe you have been like you had a marathon for like, let's say you ran from, let's say for 1 kilometer and you are thirsty, you are tired, you are fatigued. Then you are given a cold bottle of water. What happens to you?
100% hydration and revival. Yes. You are revived.
So that's why we want. The reason for this youth camp is to bring back the youths. To create an awareness. To use that we should not run behind these things that we are running against. Fashion, we should not focus on fashions, but what is going to draw us back to Christ.
Okay.
That's our mission. That's what we are saying, making God visible.
Alright, okay. Landry, we already had one speaker, and unfortunately we made a terrible mistake. We didn't have the opportunity to have a proper introduction. So before we go any further, we're going to continue with the beautiful lady sitting right next to you. Let's have a name, please.
Good afternoon, Sandra. Good afternoon, Landry, and
Hello.
Every other person watching us. My name's Bambot Aldabella.
Okay, alright. Hello, Adabella.
Good afternoon, Sandra and Landry. And good afternoon to all those who are watching us in the home, everywhere.
Okay.
And my name is Tonia Pelewoble.
Pelewoble. I'm sorry, I did not get that.
Pelewoble.
Okay, alright. Let's just thank you. Thank you so much. Yes.
Good afternoon, everyone, and I'm so delighted to be here. Good afternoon to all the journalists here, and I am called Godefak Irene. Thank you so much for being on air.
Wow, you're Irene.
Irene.
Wow. I think I like her. Okay, the gentleman sitting right next to her, sitting right next to Irene Noel.
Ok, bonjour une fois de plus. Bonsoir Landry.
Familiar face there.
Il y a beaucoup de monde qui me c'est qui ça. Bonsoir Sandra.
Hello.
Et bonsoir à tous ceux qui nous visionnent depuis les maisons, depuis le bureau, depuis entre deux avions, hein, parce qu'on est sur la chaîne Business Empire à la télévision. Moi c'est Peggy Fisto de Best of the Day et de Spiritual Emphasis qu'il faut plus présenter. Nous sommes ravis en tant que jeunes d'être dans vos locaux. Et j'espère que tous mes jeunes là, tous mes frères, avant de sortir ici, auront le purge.
Okay. We are hoping that the Spirit leads this afternoon.
Oui, effectivement, le mouvement, le temps dit que le mouvement il est là-haut bien. C'est important de voir des jeunes, voilà, chrétiens, qui mettent en avant une visibilité pareille, c'est avoir tout simplement le vêtu cet après-midi. C'est donc très important. Alors, ma question concernant ce camp de vacances qui a pris son envol, quelle était l'urgence justement? Je ne sais pas à qui la question s'adresse, mais toujours est-il qu'une personne va justement prendre la peine de répondre. Quelle était l'urgence d'une pareille initiative? Quand on sait que voilà, nous sommes pendant les vacances, il y a beaucoup de jeunes qui n'ont pas la tête, il faut le dire, à des camps pareils, mais là, ça c'est le volet chrétien, spirituel. Quelle était l'urgence vraiment de cette initiative?
Okay, I'll take the floor.
Thank you so much.
Well, the urgency of this coming together is all about bringing youth together. We know that in our society, youths have this thing of like looking down on others, and they are like not wanting to be together. If you see them together, what they do is like always negative. Either they are drinking, smoking, and all kind of stuffs. But we decided to bring the youths together in order to like boost their spiritual life.
Okay.
So that is the real aim. And apart from that, they will soon be going back to school. So we are wanting them to go back to school with this anxiety of like changing the environment in which they find themselves. They should not go to school just because they want to learn or do something or whatsoever, but let those around them feel this godly environment, and they are like, I cannot ask this person to do this kind of thing because just from the way I see the person, he's not this kind of person. Yeah, so that's what we want to like implant in the youths of our generation.
Okay.
Going back to school with a different mindset, going back to school with a new spirit, a new personality. That's it.
Well, I love that. Okay, now we've heard from a lady. I want us to be balanced. Now, Brother Peggy Vito Taloa, talk to us about preparations. Tell us about the preparative measures that you had to implement to see into it that this youth camp becomes massive and is massive as I feel it.
Ok, merci Sandra de me repasser la parole. Merci une fois de plus. Je voudrais, avant de continuer mon liminaire, tirer un coup de chapeau au Craftsman. Craftsman, le révérend Amoning Gafson, qui n'est pas présenté ici aujourd'hui, qui est le visionnaire, je veux dire, de Global Mission.
Well, we're hoping to have him, unfortunately.
Qui vraiment, pourquoi je commence par lui? Parce que c'est un concept et il a une façon différente de voir les choses. Et lorsque j'ai observé et j'ai parcouru tout le travail qu'il a fait pour l'organisation avec le leader de jeunes pour ce programme, j'ai compris qu'il y a quelque chose de différent en lui. Et cette différence, c'est quoi? C'est que c'est pas un camp comme tous les autres. C'est pas un camp comme tous les autres. Parce que, entre autres, comme activité, nous avons l'investissement humain. Vous savez, nous sommes dans une ville où je peux pas dire que l'anarchie est de reine de maître, mais je dirais on ne tient pas beaucoup compte de la propreté. Donc c'est un camp où nous avons un investissement humain. Et quelle disposition est-ce que l'homme Christ a pris pour que les choses se passent différemment, comme Sandra est en train de dire? C'est que tous jeunes que vous voyez ici ont une seule et un seul mot d'ordre: le réveil. Et ce réveil, ça ne passe pas seulement par la lecture de la parole, la prière, le jeûne enfermé dans une maison. Non, le fait de sortir dans la ville et de nettoyer, le fait d'apporter la propreté où il y a la saleté, c'est une façon nouvelle et différente de présenter Christ. Je me souviens tout à l'heure, lorsque nous sommes sortis pour évangéliser, rien qu'avoir nos t-shirts, les gens nous demandaient c'est quel mouvement. Donc ça, c'est aussi l'une des particularités de Craftsman et l'une des particularités de ce camp de jeunes revival pour le réveil. Parce que s'il faut dire réveil, il y a autant d'activités que je vais laisser mes frères aussi qui sont avec moi sur ce plateau de nous dire. Mais la petite particularité, je vais souligner une fois de plus, en dehors de porter l'investissement humain, en dehors de mettre la propreté, c'est que le jeune homme ou la jeune fille qui vient à ce camp va certainement rentrer état béni, étant transformé, va certainement rentrer avec l'esprit du réveil tel que le thème est en train de le dire. Je ne sais pas si j'ai répondu à votre question, Sandra.
I'm very much satisfied, Brother Peggy. Yes.
Oui, je voulais rester avec justement le frère Peggy Fisto, ou alors Brother Peggy Fisto, pour essayer justement de savoir cette donne-ci, cette équation. Alors, on sait que c'est un camp de vacances. Est-ce à dire que ça concerne uniquement les jeunes de Kingdom Embassy, voilà, ou alors il y a eu l'ouverture vers d'autres jeunes, ou du moins c'est une édition qui est axée uniquement vers vous et les autres éditions, on pourra peut-être voir les autres jeunes, parce que c'est aussi important d'ouvrir, voilà, d'ouvrir. Donc j'aimerais savoir un peu l'équation là.
Ok, merci Andy. Très bonne question, parce que certainement il y a des personnes qui nous visionnent, que ce soit sur les réseaux sociaux, que ce soit par le canal de BCTV, qui vont se poser la même question. Et bien évidemment, je vais laisser ma petite soeur à côté de moi, et je sais qu'elle peut apporter plus d'amples informations pour ne pas monopoliser
la parole. On a dit que c'est un échange. Voilà.
Okay, Irene. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to speak.
Before you continue, can I say I like the way you talk?
Thank you so much.
See her smile. Okay, continue.
Tu parlais pas haute voix, hein?
Okay. Thank you so much. The youth camp that we have is not only for the youth of Kingdom Mercy, it is open to every other youth. That's why we had awareness. We spoke to youth of other churches, and thankfully they are here. And our youth camp is very special. We invite all your youth because we have a program called Education for All, and thankfully we praise the Lord because we have had more than 30 students travel out of the country due to the program that we have. And we invite all your youth so that we will not be the only ones to benefit. We are not selfish. The Lord does not have selfish people. We invite them to teach them on different skills. We also have different workshops that talk on relationship, because now we know nowadays many youths are being derailed on the topic of relationship, on the topic of dating and courtship. They don't have much information about it, so we are bringing them so they will be more educated. We also have different workshops to teach them on the spirit of revival, because it's not only the use of Kingdom Mercy that needs revival, but all of us in Bausan need revival for a change in our country and a change in the world. Thank you so much.
Wow.
On a envie d'applaudir, hein?
Can we please? I love the way she takes the floor and she commands with so much authority. I'm seeing a mini somewhere. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now is the time, dear young persons, for us to talk about activities. We cannot have youth camp, or we cannot have a youth camp amongst which we have a campaign that is going on for revival, and we do not have activities that are championing this youth camp. Now I'm going to be talking to, I'm sorry I did not get your name straight. Can I have that again?
Brother Bled.
Sorry?
Brother Bled.
Bled. Okay, I'm sorry, it's difficult for me to get your name. But okay, talk to us about some activities. We're going to pass it around equally to those who are standing. Sorry, I hope you're comfortable. Okay, alright, talk to us about the activities.
Okay, thank you again once more.
Vous pouvez parler en français, il n'y a pas de souci.
No, about the activities that we have the campaign of sanitation.
Okay.
Meaning we keep our environment clean. Yes, because God Himself, He loves clean environments.
Yeah, He says cleanliness is next to godliness.
Yeah, cleanliness next to godliness. So we clean to show to others that we are there. So it's not that we are not just a church like others. Yes, we're concerned about our neighbor. So that's why we clean. We not only clean our environment, but
you extend.
We will extend.
Okay.
So we have sports.
All right.
And the sport is football. So the football now we are inviting youth. We have youth from our church. So we invite different youth, and we will go and meet in the football field to play the match. So everything is not just about the football. It's a means to
bring youth
together and introduce Christ to them.
All right.
So
I feel hurt a little bit. Why is it just football? We have ladies here, right? Is there female football?
Yes.
Okay, I'm already getting hurt.
Yeah, okay. We have football and handball.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I'm at ease.
So when we bring them together, they will come, because if you go that you want to, like on the field, you say you want to preach, not all the youth will come. But if you bring the strategy like ladies football, young men love to play football, so want to use that a means to reach to them, to introduce Christ to them. Because I think our generation suffer nowadays because they don't know Christ. Because it's written in the Bible that the people suffer because they lack knowledge.
Yes.
So want to introduce Christ to them, so that at least the next future will not will not be sowing.
Okay.
Donc, je pense qu'il y a quand même déjà quelques détails par rapport à cela, Sandra. Bon,
you know, I'm doing mini money mode to see whom I'm going to pick from those standing to talk to.
Oui. Bon, avant d'arriver, c'est sûr. Oui, il y a encore quelques zones d'ombre, quelques préoccupations. Oui, toujours au niveau des activités. Voilà, déjà, l'initiative est appréciée. Hein. Ça, c'est ce qu'il faut rappeler. Très, très appréciable. Quand tout à l'heure, le frère Peggy parlait de justement l'évangélisation, quand on arrive sur le terrain, on voit juste la visibilité, la manière avec laquelle ils sont vêtus. Voilà, ça donne envie de demander c'est quel mouvement. Alors j'ai envie de poser la question justement au gentleman qui a pris la parole en premier lieu.
Brother
Michael, voilà, mon frère Michael. J'aimerais savoir, l'évangélisation se spécifie uniquement aux jeunes aussi, ou alors ça touche d'autres personnes? On sait que c'est un programme des jeunes, c'est un camp des jeunes. Alors, est-ce ça dit que quand vous sortez pour évangéliser là, si une personne n'est pas jeune, vous ne parlez pas? Parce que vous savez, hein, c'est la précision en vaut aussi la peine.
Ok.
Parce que les jeunes, la jeunesse, c'est ça la cible. Mais de l'autre côté, il y a des personnes qui sont aussi âgées, qui ne sont pas jeunes, qui ont besoin d'être peut-être évangélisées, échangées par une parole.
Okay, before continuing, first of all say that everybody is young, everybody is a youth. Even if you are 100 years old, to your mother, to your parents, you are still a child. So as you are going out for evangelism, you are talking to everybody. And as you are out for evangelism, our focus is not just to preach about Christ. That's not the only focus. We can come, like today we went out, I met a woman that was explaining to me what she went through, how thieves broke into her store and cleared everything. So we felt sympathy for her and we prayed for her. We do not preach Christ to her. We preach love, because the key to a man's heart is love. For you to effectively preach the gospel, you must not you are not obliged to talk about Christ. Show them love. Yes, as we are going out for evangelism, our main concern is not just the youths, as I earlier said. We talk to everybody, be it you are old, you are young, you are a child, you are whatsoever. So yes, and in a way that we use to do this is to show love out of kindness. Like maybe you see a woman that is struggling to carry her bag, we help her carry the bag, and then we tell her, Mama, Jesus loves you, and that's all.
Solidarity.
Yes. So that's the strategy that we are using right now. To preach the gospel and to tell them that we have a youth camp. They can still come and attend. It's not close. You just started, you just kick off. The plane has not yet taken off. You are still on the runway.
All right, okay. Landry, if you permit me, can I now continue with the activities? Okay, thank you so much. Now, there is this young man in the studio. When he stepped in, I was like, wow, how can he be this tall? And he's just looking at me. He's looking at me from the center of my head, although I'm seated. But he's going to talk to us and we're going to hear from him. We are still talking about activities. Hello to the tallest in the studio.
Bon, le plus géant là-bas. Voilà.
Hello, good afternoon, welcome.
Alors, bonsoir à tous. Je suis très content d'être ici avec vous.
Okay.
Moi, c'est Jospin Tapi.
Jospin Tapi. We have a Jospin in the house. So you are a twinning. Okay, so talk to us about some of the activities that we are going to be experiencing in the course of the youth camp.
Alors, comme mes frères l'ont si bien dit, nous avons plusieurs activités. Et déjà, ils ont énoncé le football, ils ont énoncé l'évangélisation et ils ont énoncé l'aspect du nettoyage de la société.
Investissement humain.
Oui. Investissement humain. Alors, nous avons aussi des activités comme, par exemple, vous voyez nos t-shirts. Cela représente l'unité. Alors quand nous sortons,
I must say you guys look very nice in it.
Thank you.
Alors quand nous sortons, nous représentons l'unité à la société. Nous voulons montrer que les jeunes sont unis et que les jeunes poursuivent une même vision. Nous voulons montrer la vivacité des jeunes. Nous partageons les mêmes idées. Nous partageons le Christ ensemble. C'est l'une des choses nous partageons ensemble.
All right, thank you so very much. Suspense. I think I got the name now this time around.
Ici, hein? Wow. Moi, je pensais que c'est seulement ceux qui étaient assis.
Ah, come
on.
on,
Il y a également ceux qui sont debout. Alors, il y a juste en face de lui, là, le plus jeune. Oui, le plus jeune.
You know, when you said that, he was like...
Non, mais il va quand même dire quelque chose. Il n'y a pas de peur ici, hein? Nous sommes entre jeunes, non? Voilà. Alors, j'aimerais que tu te présentes et tu nous dis si certainement, moi, je t'ai piqué parce que tu es le plus jeune. Je vais dire quoi? Quelle est l'expérience? Déjà, le camp a déjà débuté. En tant que jeune, le plus jeune, comment tu te sens? Voilà, comment tu apprécies déjà toutes les activités qui sont faites?
Bon, je peux dire que...
Tu te présentes d'abord, c'est important.
Bon,
moi, c'est Landry, hein?
Oui.
Ok.
Bonjour. Je suis ravi de te rencontrer.
Donc, super.
Je m'appelle Marc Junior. Oui, je peux dire que ça se passe plutôt bien. Bon, ça nous aide à développer notre croissance en crise. Oui. Bon, c'est pas une campagne simple comme les autres. C'est une campagne qui aide. Bon, si il y a d'autres personnes qui vont à l'église, bon, à eux, comme tu vas à l'église, là tu es chrétien, bon, c'est pas comme ça que ça marche avec nous. Nous, on veut te faire connaître Christ en profondeur. Voilà comment ça marche avec nous.
Ok.
Wow, est-ce qu'on peut applaudir pour lui alors?
I'm liking it because they look as if they are cold, but please do not pick on any of them. Do not try it. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be taking a short break, but before we take that short break, Landry, we are going to be coming back to have a new set on the program. Before we do that, let's just have a brief presentation, especially for those who are standing up. I already know of Suspense, I know of Junior. I think that is all I know of. Can we begin from the lady?
Oui.
Good afternoon and thank you for passing me the word. My name is Ndambo Binisi.
Binison?
Ndambo Binisi.
Nisi.
Yes.
Okay, hello Nisi. Nice meeting
Bienvenue.
you.
Thank you.
Right next to you.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Aban Bless.
Aban Bless. Hello Bless. Nice meeting you. Okay, let's just go in that order.
Ça se suit.
Good afternoon. My name is Mbinyo Fidel.
Hi Fidel.
Ok, bonsoir. Moi c'est Fabien Foto.
Salut Monsieur Foto.
Monsieur Fabien, vous êtes adossé là comme si vous étiez un
Non,
peu...
c'est frère Foto.
Non mais même si c'est frère, c'est quand même monsieur. Non, c'est juste pour appeler qui se place un peu, voilà, droitement comme les autres. C'est important. La suite.
Greetings to you all viewers. My name is Tala Noel.
Hi Noel.
I'm a youth and I'm participating in the program.
A vibrant participator. Let's go.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Banla Blessing.
I relate with you, Banla Blessing. How are you?
Bénédiction,
Fine,
hein.
thank you.
Okay, thank
Wow.
you.
Okay, that's bon, déjà on a pris les
that's
deux. On va
generous.
une fois plus tard avec...
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is B. Charlotte.
Hello, welcome to BCTV.
Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for us to take a short break. Time for us to refreshen our team. And before we go, is there a slogan we need to unanimously say?
Yes.
Okay, let's go.
Are you ready?
Please let me be included in it. Let us be included in it too.
Are you ready? Yes. Are you ready?
Yes.
Kingdom youth,
We belong to Jesus.
Kingdom youth,
We take charge and take over.
Kingdom youth. That's my campaign.
Making God visible.
That's my campaign.
Making God visible.
Okay, let's have that break.
Welcome to the channel of excellence, BCTV. BCTV offers you quality services all year, such as live broadcasts, media coverage, advertisement, video and audio spot production, documentary and magazine production, announcement, and training with distinguished staff from Monday to Sunday, 7 days on 7. You will find interesting programs aimed for entertainment, awareness, debate, information, and equally religion. BCTV is the lone channel that supports small and medium-sized businesses and encourages young artists and many more. BCTV, the arena of excellence, is available on several cable distributors such as Vino, Qatar, Master, the Vino Decoder Channel 122, and equally on Facebook. BCTV is located in Bafoussam behind the Zakat de l'Ouest, precisely at Depot Sane. For more information, contact us via 653-548805. BCTV, the arena of excellence. And behind the Zakat. Welcome to the channel of excellence, BCTV. BCTV offers you quality services all year, such as live broadcasts, media coverage, advertisement, video and audio sport production, documentary and magazine production, announcement, and training with distinguished staff from Monday to Sunday, 7 days on 7. You will find interesting programs aimed for entertainment, awareness, debate, information, and equally religion. BCTV is the lone channel that supports small and medium-sized businesses and encourages young.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. If you are just joining us, you on to this special edition where we're talking about young persons who are deeply rooted in Christ. I should say Christ youths.
Effectivement, Christ youths, justement, des jeunes zélés pour Christ qui cherchent, qui multiplient des moyens au quotidien pour contaminer d'autres personnes qui ne sont pas encore dans ce contexte-là. Je pense que le Cameroun en a besoin. Voilà, on en a grandement besoin. La ville de Bafoussam, la région de l'Ouest, et c'est déjà bien ce qu'ils sont en train de faire. Et de ce pas, il y a d'autres jeunes qui nous ont rejoints. Sandra Bongo, c'est vrai qu'ils sont une centaine, hein, voilà. Mais pour l'heure, il faut tout simplement dire qu'il fallait, il y avait urgence que d'autres jeunes nous rejoignent, s'allient à la danse, à cet échange. Et je pense que avant d'y arriver, on va pas passer. Oui, c'est le slogan.
Yeah, they have something for us. I don't know what exactly. I don't know if it's the same slogan or something.
Bon, présente d'abord le slogan, non?
You have the floor.
D'abord le slogan.
Are you ready?
L'énergie là.
Bon,
c'est beaucoup de tenue, c'est. Voilà.
Are you ready? Are you sure you are ready?
Yes, sir.
Kingdom youth,
We belong to Jesus.
Kingdom youth,
We take charge and take over.
Kingdom youth, drive my campaign,
Making God visible.
drive my campaign,
Making God visible.
I caught two. Making God visible, and there is another one with action. I don't know.
Kingdom youth action.
Sorry.
Kingdom youth.
Kingdom youth action. I'm
Action.
getting better in this. I don't know about
On
you.
dit
but-
que action, donc ça entre en action. Waouh, ça c'est. En tout cas, il y a de bonnes choses. Là, le temps de faire une petite anecdote, c'est l'une des rares congrégations où je suis entré. Vous voyez toute une équipe média qui est sur place, sur pied. On a même, au fait, le culte est retransmis. Hein. On a le jeu des caméras et tout ça, des gens qui se baladent. Au fait, c'est quelque chose d'appréciable. Donc, ce qui se passe, le camp des jeunes là, c'est quelque chose de plus. Ça traduit à suffisance, c'est ce qui se fait déjà à la base.
And bearing in mind, we have some young persons just joining us. Hello to you all. Hi. Hey.
Ça sent bien, ça va.
Hey, did you hear
Mon
that? They were
impression
like,
quand même,
it's a
elle
chorus.
là-bas, c'est une vieille de la vieille. Elle est roulée déjà quand même. Bon, les autres, on peut apercevoir comme le tonus. On va procéder à la présentation, non?
Okay, let's begin with you. Can we have your name, please?
Good afternoon once more. My name is Might, Cho Might, and I'm part of the media team. Earlier today we were doing the evangelism campaign, and I was part of the media team covering the event.
Okay,
So
hello,
I'm glad to be
Might.
part of this. Thank you.
Nice meeting you. We'll
Same
have
here.
time to talk, huh?
Okay.
Now, right next to you.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Hello.
My name is Awa Penstren. I was with the evangelism team earlier today. Went out to the market to speak to some people, and I'm happy to be here today.
I'm loving it. I'm loving the vibe. Nice meeting you. Right next to you is?
My name is Awa Armstrong. I was with the evangelism that went out to the market today to talk to people.
Okay. Hello, I'm Strong.
Bienvenue.
Welcome. I think everybody was out on the field, right?
Yes.
Okay, let's just have our names. Next to you.
Adriana.
Adriella. Adriana. Why don't we have French people? I feel like the English-speaking persons are dominating here. Why? Next to you is?
My name is Bambot Isabella.
Hello.
Isabella, tu as peur?
She speaks like a baby.
Moi, tu reprends quoi? Tu parles avec beaucoup de tonus.
My name is Bambot Isabella Maris.
Hello, Isabella. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Alors, la suite, comment?
Hi, I'm called Ben Charlene.
Hello, Charlene. You're welcome to BCTV.
Thank you.
And next to you, when she walked in, I said, this is an old broom. Okay, let's give our old broom the opportunity to equally introduce herself. Hello.
Good evening to everybody. I am Angel Yamata.
Hello, Angel. We missed you.
Thank you, Madam Samuel.
All right, next to you is?
I'm called Cherish Ann.
I like your smile.
Thank you.
See her blushing. See her Yeah, she's always with the camera, and I'm like, who is this girl?
En fait, c'est ça la jeunesse. La jeunesse, c'est la vivacité. Hein.
Definitely.
Il faut bouger, il ne faut pas rester sur place.
Okay.
Alors,
Landry?
oui, je pense qu'on va justement prendre un autre aspect de ce programme spécial réservé à ce camp des jeunes qui a déjà pris son envol. Justement, une initiative sur la supervision de Trashman. J'espère que je prononce l'homme Chris. Voilà, l'homme Chris, il faut le dire. Alors, on va parler des difficultés cette fois-ci, Sandra Bonjou. On sait que dans toute chose, il y a des difficultés. Et s'il n'y a pas de difficultés, on ne pourra pas s'améliorer pour les prochaines éditions. Et du coup, ça vous met déjà dans un grand challenge. Parce que si vous avez déjà fait cette édition, il faut faire l'année qui vient ou du moins les jours qui arrivent. Du coup, ça fait en sorte que ce qu'il y a eu comme manquement pour cette édition, vous devez tout faire pour relever ces manquements. Alors, on va s'arrêter de ce côté. Bon, entre Peggy et lui, moi, je ne sais pas.
I think Brother Michael.
Je ne sais pas entre Michael et Peggy, je ne sais pas qui prendra.
I don't know why you keep omitting to put the brother. See what you're doing? No, it's him. No, come to me. Alright, we're going to make our choice.
On est avec le frère Peggy. Alors, dites-nous, les difficultés, il y en aura toujours. Hein. Voilà. Alors, quelles sont les difficultés que vous rencontrez depuis le lancement de ce camp des jeunes?
Ok, merci une fois de plus de m'avoir passé la parole. Vous savez que l'œuvre humaine, elle n'est pas parfaite. En ce que même Jésus-Christ, souvenez-vous, lorsqu'il marchait, il y a quelqu'un qui l'a approché, a dit, bon maître, apprends-nous. Il a dit que, attention, il n'y a pas de bon, le bon c'est Dieu seul. Lui-même étant Dieu, pour dire que chaque œuvre humaine ne saurait se réclamer l'excellence. Donc, en ce qui concerne les difficultés qu'on peut éprouver, c'est vrai, c'est une première et une très grande première déjà, que je trouve déjà très réussite en organisation. Il faut dire comme difficulté, on a besoin du matériel, on a besoin de beaucoup d'autres choses. Vous savez, pour des jeux, de se retrouver en un lieu, ça demande le logement, ça demande la nutrition, ça demande l'encadrement. Ça demande, donc il y a plusieurs autres facteurs qui vont avec. Donc comme difficulté, je veux dire que le Craftsman a pris les dispositions qu'il avait à sa disposition, vous voyez, qu'il avait en main en fait, pour ne pas me répéter, tel que les hommes et femmes, on ne peut pas les mélanger, ils ne peuvent pas avoir les mêmes dortoirs.
Yes,
vous voyez, ils doivent avoir les dortoirs à part, ils doivent avoir les toilettes à part. Je crois que ça déjà que j'ai apprécié hier, c'est déjà plus, bien que c'était comme un obstacle. Vous savez, BCTV est habitué à nos locaux à Kingdom Embassy Church. Donc vous connaissez, elle n'est pas encore une très grande cathédrale, mais elle est en devenir, il faut le dire, pour toi qui nous regarde depuis la maison. Donc comme difficulté encore, on ne peut pas se rassembler et on ne met pas de l'argent. De quoi soutenir. Nous avons demandé aux parents, à qui j'ai tiré déjà un gros coup de chapeau, parce que vu la mobilisation, ça veut dire que les parents ont mis la main dans la poche pour soutenir. Parce que le Craftsman lui seul ne peut pas nous prendre une quarantaine, 50 ou 60 que nous sommes, nous nourrir le matin, à midi, le soir. Vous voyez? Donc il y a autant de besoins. Donc en difficulté, il faut dire que, entre autres, non. Moi, toutes ces difficultés, moi, je ne les ai même pas vues. Hein. C'est quand vous parlez que je suis en train de regarder, qu'est-ce qui a pu manquer? Tu vois un peu, mais lorsqu'on venait tout à l'heure,
everything was okay, you didn't even notice.
Yes.
Tout à l'heure, on a toujours l'impression que tout va bien.
C'est quand on venait tout à l'heure qu'on s'est mis à côté de la route pour attendre les taxis. On dit, je sais que les années à venir, le Krasma va mettre les costers de
Kingdom
Embassy pour nous transporter.
He's watching, right? So if you're passing the message, just pass it directly.
Même pour aller évangéliser dans les marchés, c'est que les cars vont nous transporter. Et après l'évangélisation, en rentrant, on peut laisser le car, on part en rentrant, on distribue. Donc, j'ai pas vu ça comme des difficultés. Donc, c'est juste que votre question a juste ouvert mon esprit. Et elle dit, c'est certainement à ces réponses qu'il fallait répondre avant le début du camp. Et je crois que le Krasma et son équipe, le Krasma, il faut dire qu'il n'est pas seul. Il est autour d'une très grande équipe. Je parle à la personne de maman Irene Ngolefak, la femme du pasteur Emmanuel Ngolefak, qui est lui aussi, qui est le pasteur des jeunes. Je pense que c'est toute une équipe. Je pense qu'ils sont en train de réussir, ou bien ils ont réussi les paris. Parce que d'hier maintenant, moi-même, j'ai pas vu un manquement et je me suis pas plaint. Et c'est que je ne vais pas me plaindre jusqu'à ce que ça finisse.
Voilà, merci. Je pense donc tout simplement qu'on a pu déceler, même comme on ne voit pas, mais même en crise, il y a des difficultés. Il faut donc s'améliorer, Sondra Bonyo.
You're right. And when Peggy was talking, when Brother Peggy was talking, it pushed me to think about an educative session. I know in every youth camp there is a space for talks. A talk from this person on this topic and all whatnot. The floor is very much open to anyone to talk to us about some of the inspirational, educative talks that have been given to you. Those standing, I don't know. Should I pick? Okay, thank you.
I'll take the floor. Thank you very much. Talking about education, I think they have put in place a slot in the program.
Can I, without cutting you short, can I tell you that I like your articulation?
Thank you very much.
It seems as if you're trying to do something that I am doing, and I am liking it. Please keep the going.
So, as I was saying earlier, there is a part in the program where we would have an educative talk titled "The Impact of Western Education on Africa," and how the youths can leverage this to become independent.
Okay.
Because from the studies we conducted, we discovered that Western education has made Africans more of dependent, because they leave school with the mindset that I have to get a job, I have to be an employee. So we have to talk on that to make youths use education more as a tool to be independent instead of being dependent.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so very much. Any other? That's
it.
All right, yes, please.
Another educational slot that will be coming up, that's mostly on how to make good money.
Okay.
Yes, that's being a business tycoon of your own.
All right.
And one of the principles that we got during one of the
Why are you smiling?
Well, that's because this principle has really blown my mind.
Okay, all right.
10,000 hours to be a master in something. That's that's really mind-blowing something. You're like 10,000 hours and you're like, how many hours am I supposed to put like in a day or to be able to get to 10,000 hours? And we are like 8 hours every day to be able to become a master in something. So we are like, okay, what do we know how to do with our hands? And from there we like push it forward to the market, like expose ourselves, have a market, know how to bring other things that people might need, that's solving a problem in the society. Yes. And it is through this youth camp that this idea came up, thanks to the Christ Man, and we discovered that we are really in need of this, because most of the youths come out, like our brother said, and they are like, what are we going to do? I want to go and work at this office, and they are like, the AC and all they feel very comfortable. So you know, each time we sit down, we are like looking at it, we are like, no, youths, no, that's not what we want. Yeah, so we really want to be independent when it comes to business. And apart from that, I don't know if somebody else wants to talk, but I guess,
okay, Irene, yes.
Okay, thank you so much for passing me the floor. And
ladies are taking power here. I don't know what the guys are doing here.
And thank
you. But he's justifying himself there. Okay.
And thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak. I would like to talk on, there will be a workshop on leadership, or where they are going to teach different youths on how to lead, because we that carry Christ, we are the ones to lead. And so our pastor's wife and our resident pastor, they are going to impact us on how to be good leaders. We are not going to be rulers, we are going to be leaders. We are leading the people. We are not putting ourselves at the front, but we are putting ourselves at the back to make sure that everybody behind us gets where they want to be in good shape. So there'll be a workshop on leadership, and I wouldn't like you to miss it because it has not yet happened, and I would like to see you tomorrow for the workshop on leadership. Thank you.
You're definitely going to see me. Talking like that, you will see me. Thank you so much, Irene.
Effectivement, merci donc à vous. On va prendre, n'est-ce pas, certainement le dernier aspect de cette émission, de ce programme spécial concernant ce camp des jeunes qui suit son petit bonhomme de chemin. Il y a encore plusieurs activités dans les jours à venir. Alors on a envie de se projeter au-delà du camp des vacances. Quels sont les projets de votre mouvement? Bon, la parole vient d'abord ici. Voilà, la parole vient pas ici. Quels sont les projets futurs de votre mouvement au-delà de ce camp des vacances?
Well, merci. Thank you for asking me the word. So our future project is after this youth camp, we have a massive youth camp for next year, and our best position, and the one that is coming next year, Bawasam not contain all of us.
Oh,
yes, Bawasam not contain all of us.
That's massive.
If maybe by this same time next year, discover that there are no youths on the streets, come to Kingdom Embassy, you will see them there. Because we are creating impact.
Okay.
We are creating impact in different dimensions. I, for one, during this youth camp, I will be empowering most of my colleagues here on media. We are talking about how to become a leadership, and the best way to sell yourself is on social media.
Sure.
So I will be empowering my colleagues here on how they can create content and work on the content and post it on social media. This is one of our greatest aspects, how to sell yourself on social media. Because as the Christ man usually say, we should not die like local champions. We should not be born in Cameroon, marry in Cameroon, go to school in Cameroon, you die in Cameroon, and they will bury you here in Bafoussam. You're a local champion. So, hello.
He did not just do that. Okay.
So we should set ourselves, we should value ourselves, we should not sell ourselves cheap. So I want to empower my colleagues here on how to sell yourself very expensive on social media. So one of our projects is that if somebody has a vision, like you have a burden, like let me say for the orphans, you have a burden for the widows, you have a burden for whatsoever in the society. We have this ministry in church that will help you. We will help you to promote that vision. I think the craftsman will one day come here and he will talk more about it, because he's the one that is in control of it. He's in charge.
I think the vision bearer.
Yes, he's the vision bearer. So this is one of the aspects that we lay more emphasis on. Raising Christ men. It's not just raising just to become be a member of a church. No, you are not raising members of churches. You are raising ministers. As all of us sitting here or standing here, you are not just members of a church. You are ministers. As because I say we have apostles. That's the new name of Pastor K for we have apostles. Yes, because we need to impact our society. We should not just be like what do you do in church? No, that's not it. That's not it. Like I for one, I've never sat in church and participated in service. Never. I don't know how to do it. But this our project is not just for the youth in Kingdom Embassy. It's for everybody in the society. Wherever you find yourself, don't just come like somebody that's going to watch others do. Put your hand in it and work with others, because it's by working with the other people that you will be recognized worldwide. Like, let me tell you about this man Bill Gates. He's not working alone. Sure. He works side by side with somebody. That's why he is known today. So our main vision is to raising these Christ men, promote their ministries and sell them on the international market.
Ok, alright, point taken.
Effectivement, bon, j'ai une dernière question, toute dernière pour ma part, avant de conclure. Alors, il y a une question qui revient là, je suis sûr que c'est également la préoccupation des téléspectateurs. Est-ce qu'un jeune qui n'est pas de votre congrégation peut faire partie de ce mouvement?
Yes, it's open to everybody.
Okay.
Be it in Cameroon or out of Cameroon, it's open to everybody.
Voilà, justement, parce que c'est une préoccupation qu'il fallait savoir. Tu voulais apporter plus de détails?
Ouais, j'ai quelque chose à ajouter.
Oui.
Okay. Thank you once more for giving me the word.
Sure.
So we arrive here. We say we are a youth in a youth camp. So the theme of our youth camp is the spirit of revival.
Yeah.
First of all, somebody will ask himself that I'm seeing the spirit of revival. What is revival? So revival is the move of God. So, and when the move of God passes, what remains behind as the result of revival are churches. So when God moves, what is left behind is churches. So nowadays in churches, churches are distracted because of one or two things. We need revivals in Cameroon. We need revival in our churches. Most in Cameroon, we need revival because Cameroon is being dominated with the spirit of mammon, the spirit of tradition, the spirit of prostitution. So we need revival.
And so many others, huh?
Yeah, and so many others. So we need revival. So now, what is stopping God from, like, transforming the Cameroon, the country, because God is in need of men. God lack men. God don't have who cooperate with Him. So because in the book of Genesis chapter 1, saying that God created man. God said, "Let us make man." But in chapter 2, He's saying that He wants there's no man. So what is the price to pay?
That's a great question.
Yeah, what is the price to pay to be the man that God will use? You have to spend time with God.
Food for thought.
Right, that's why we came together, to spend time with God, to have communion, to fellowship with God.
You definitely get to come together as young persons, to communion, to fellowship, to bond together, because where 2 or 3 are gathered, there He is in our midst. Ladies and gentlemen, I am so sorry we are going to be rounding up with this program. Unfortunately, time is cutting us short. But before we take this short break to come back, I think we're going to be having this song titled Definitely. When we come back, we're going to be having a grand closure. But I think we should get out into or step into this musical break with a slogan. I don't know, they do it so well.
Avant justement d'aller prendre le DJ jingle pour revenir dire bye bye, on prend encore le slogan. On va essayer de le faire. C'est très important.
Are you ready?
I'm ready, yes.
You clear and truth. Are you ready?
Kingdom youth,
we belong to Jesus.
Kingdom youth,
we take charge and take over.
Kingdom youth,
action.
Kingdom youth,
action.
Like my campaign,
making God visible.
Like my campaign,
making God visible.
Okay, let's
Welcome to the channel of excellence, BCTV. BCTV offers you quality services all year, such as live broadcasts, media
Definitely, I will be singing
dit, vous savez, chaque chose a un début et ça a une fin. Et on dira tout simplement que tout est bien, qui finit bien. Lorsqu'on voit les jeunes, voilà, c'est quelque chose d'important. Et c'était simplement, hein, il faut le dire, cet échange autour de ce camp de vacances qui a pris son envol et qui va s'achever samedi avec plusieurs activités. Donc on a encore mercredi, jeudi, vendredi et le samedi. On a pu énumérer toutes les activités. Sandra Bonyo.
I am super excited that we were opportune to have these young persons in the studio with us. Unfortunately, every good thing does come to its end, just like Landry made mention, and it's time for us to pack our bags out of the studio. My heart bleeds because I'm going to separate from all of you, but we are taking the rendezvous for Sunday for the grand closure. Well, for presentation today, ladies and gentlemen, on this special edition, you can call me Sandra Bonyu, beautifully accompanied by
Landry Njoukwet que je suis. Avant de dire que rester en compagnie des programmes de BCTV, on prend encore le slogan. Tout le monde, voilà, le slogan, c'est important. On reçoit avec le slogan.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I am.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Kingdom youth,
we belong to Jesus.
Kingdom youth,
we take charge and take over.
Kingdom youth, Flagman campaign,
making God visible.
Flagman campaign,
making God visible.
Welcome to the channel of excellence, BCTV. BCTV offers you quality services all year, such as live broadcasts, media coverage, advertisement, video and audio spot production, documentary and magazine production, announcement, and training with distinguished staff from Monday to Sunday, 7 days on 7. You will find interesting programs aimed for entertainment,